Nope, you didn't. I just did all the positives and they didn't work.
Y equals 2x to the fourth minus 8x squared plus 40. Agreed?
No, that doesn't work out.
Y equals x to the fourth plus 5x squared minus 4. So to equal each other, get 2x to the fourth minus 8x squared plus 40 equals x to the fourth plus 5x squared minus 4. Agreed? Move everything one side, I'm going to move this way, so I get x to the fourth minus 13x squared plus 36 equals, no, plus 44. That's probably where I messed up right there, I'll bet you. Darn it.
Were you messed up or you?
I messed up.
Oh.
I'm guessing I messed up right there. Hold on a second. Negative 13.
Calculator says no real roots.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Menu. What?
We tried that, Mr.
We actually tried all of it.
Okay.
We genuinely.
Let's make this a plus.
That changes everything.
That changes everything.
So plus, that becomes. Let me double check. Yes, I think plus saves the day.
What does it change it to? 36.
I think it makes. I think that would save the day.
Plus 30.
Yeah, because if it was plus 4, there'd be 36, and then the answer would be
That is spoilers.
So make that plus 4, and then make that 36. Then you get plus 4.
36. So suddenly, oh, it's still no. Okay. It changes a few things.
plus 4.
So make that one a plus 4 there. Think that's going to make it much better for us. I could be still wrong, but I think that does it.
Awesome. Okay. Because but I'm just going to do it one time.
Yeah, that should make it work much better. That should give you nice 4 ones you can find if you wanted to.
So you did mess up. I knew it. Deep down in my soul.
I could have.
X equals. I could have. All right. Wait, were we supposed to
back to the 36? A big long list. 36, 18, 12, 9. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, I'm guessing you need 2 positives, 2 negatives. Or at least 2 positives or 2 negatives.
Let's try and
But something like this, you're going to go, okay, I got 1, 0, negative 13, 0, 36. I'm trying to find the zeros for this. Holy monkeys, I got 36, 12, whatever. So if I was looking at this, I got plus or minus 36, plus or minus 18, plus or minus 12, plus or minus 9, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6, I forgot that one, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 1.
Wow.
Being lazy, I'm going to start with, I got 2 positives, 2 negatives, so I'm going to pick a number fairly low in the middle. Let's try 4.
Is it like almost never a big number? It's always really small, right?
It's really small because Mr. Resnick 1 should have a chance of getting them.
Oh.
I can pick any number I want. It can be 117.3 if I want to, but I'm not going to do that to you because what's the point?
We would.
Yeah. And then 1, I get 4. I get 4. 4 gives me 16, which gives me 3. 12 gives me 12. Gives me 48 plus another 36. 70, 84. Okay, that's an upper limit. I'm now eliminated half the numbers up there. Thank goodness. But I didn't find an answer. Darn it. Let's try 2. I go 1. It gives me 2. Gives me 2. Gives me 4. Gives me negative 9. Gives me negative 18. Gives me negative 36. That's 0. So one of my solutions, x equals 2. Now, I can go one of 2 ways from here. I can extract this middle piece right here. Extract that middle piece right here, and then repeat the process to get me down another one. Or I can, sillily enough, do what?
Keep going.
Keep going. Maybe I can find the other rational roots right now. Why not? They got to be here. Are all 4 here? That's the question. That's the gamble I'm rolling my dice on right now. So if I were to try 3, 1, 3 gives me 3, gives me 9, gives me negative 4, gives me negative 12, gives me negative 36, gives me 0. There's the other one. Found 2 positives already. Am I going to look in positive land anymore?
No.
Dugan, am I going to look in positive land anymore? No. Now I'm going to go negative land. So since 2 and 3 worked, I'm going to try 2 and 3 on the bottom. I'm going to try negative 3 first, just gets the lower limit, save me some time. 1 gives me negative 3, gives me negative 3. Gives me 9, gives me negative 4, gives me 12, which gives me negative 36. That's a 0. Found the third one.
Which means there has to be another negative.
Now, here's where I would guess wrong. I would guess negative 4, but let's guess negative 2 to cut down on the time. Negative 2. 1 would be negative 2, gives me negative 2. Negative 2 gives me 4, which gives me negative 9. Negative 9 gives me 18, which gives me 18. Negative 2 gives me 0. I've got all 4 of them. And notice I am already done. Wow. So that would work as long as I have 4 rational roots. If I went 2, though, this method would be a dead end. Why?
Because you cannot get an irrational root for that.
Right. So what would I do instead? I would scoop out this one that I did first. I'd scoop that out. And I'd redo my table. Here we go. I would note that 3, so I have x minus 3 as one of my roots. Okay. The other one is 1x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12, right? That's my other one. Now I got to do the same magic to this one right here, right? So I'm going to go whoop, whoop. I go 1, 3, negative 4, negative 12. I've already got a list of rational roots right here. Or I can generate it again from here. There's less of them on this, right? I got 1 sign change, so I got 1 positive, right? So now I'm going to look for a positive. I'm going to try the same sort of thing. I already pulled out a 3, so it's probably not a 3, so I'm looking for maybe a 4 or 2. 4 didn't work because I tried that first, and now I would try 2. Does that make sense? Yeah. Everyone with me? Make sense? If it doesn't make sense, it's the time to ask it because we're just doing the putting it all together thing right now. This is all the magic pieces together in one big pot. So 1 times 2 is 2, gives me 5, gives me 10, gives me 6, gives me 12, gives me 0. I found the second one. And so now I know what? My vectors are x minus 3, x minus 2, and x squared plus 5x plus 6. With me so far? Now I'm just going to factor that one there. That should be a plus 5, shouldn't it? Oh, yeah, it should be a plus 5. Good? So then it's x minus 3, x minus 2. Everybody know how to factor this? Factors of 6 give me 5. 3 and 2. X plus 2, x plus 3. And that's going to give me 3, 2, negative 2, and negative 3. The second way I showed you is safer because it'll give you the irrational roots as well and the imaginary roots as well. The first way that works faster. If it works. If you only got 2 here and you got stuck, you'd have to back up and do this way anyways. Does that make sense to everybody? Then you're doing a beautiful job. This is a piece of cake for you guys. You're doing great.
Because we did our homework.
Yeah.